Sinatra. Alright. Yeah, homie, I'm coming and I'm never gonna give up. My mentality is making rappers feel like they can never even live up to logic. You bust, I dodge it. Think you see me now, you just mirage it. I'm gunning like a semi-automatic that's fully equipped with lyricism to let them have it. I blast it. Any style that you coming at me with, I master it. I son motherfuckers, then I'm out on you bastards. Psych. I'm just playing with y'all. Yeah, you know I had to keep it going. Kick rhymes that blow minds and see foreign. Real, recognize real, and you looking foreign. I was spitting flows before I was even born in the womb, and I'ma keep it up into the tomb. And as for the fame, yeah, I know it's coming soon, cause I'm going in raw finna bust up in your room. I hear the beat and it's urgent to emerge in the game. You can do cause I'm too sick to spit that yoga flame. The way I see it, this is rap, second renaissance. Spitting dirty sentences so ill they affect the medicine. Ha, I'm heaven sent and spitting fire like a demon. As the internet allow my flow to get to streaming, I'm beaming, fall asleep listening. Now I'm in your head while you dreaming. Leo DiCaprio flow, I'm up in that bitch scheming. Trying to get you to buy the album, trying to get you fiending. See my vision as I commentate it. You want a scene, they can rebut it, debate it, but the hate I ate it. Success is truly overrated. I seen cats that wanna blow up, turn pop and get deflated. See, yeah, you made it, but all of your fans hate it. And it's kinda looking like you and Satan negotiated. When it comes down to the rap game, you see I'm integrated. Half white, half black, I had to incorporate it, get the money. Whoever did this is a real pro. Yeah, I'm just a youngin' with a dream. Been spittin' since 16, quite the microphone fiend. Other rappers not mean. When I step up on the scene, all they gon' see is my scheme. Till I open up my mouth and they find out my lyrics mean. Had a meeting with Raheem, draining a whole team. But before I execute the perfect plan, I got a scheme. Cause right now I'm on the dolo. Everything about this tape, I did it on a solo. Yeah, I said it's hurricane logic. Remember, can't dodge it. They gon' be bumping me from the burbs to the projects. I get on the mic and excite anybody around me. You probably wondering why a label has not found me. It's not that easy, I gotta work from the ground. Be the center of attention, look at the people around me. Black on the inside, my outside rips. What's a cracker with that cheese? I gotta stack chips.
Todd, would you care for a glass of grape juice?
Nigga, what the fuck is juice?
You have interfered with our affairs for the last time.
Bitches like sick, world's radical, an animal. Hella sick, where's my antidote? International, pop like a can of coke. Got my dick aside of your girl's vaginal. Whew, I'm sorry that I got nasty. Rap fast and I bet that you can't catch me. Hungry for the money like I've been fasting. Your crew's fake, everybody in it's been acting. Tryna battle me's dumb, like a Mexican voting for Donald Trump. I'll take you out like we're going for lunch. Dick so big that I walk around with a hunch. Okay, I exaggerated by my D-boy, but no Teen Titans, I go Beast Boy. And no Pat Riley, I got heat, boy. It's not Thanksgiving, but I'm about to feast, boy. Walk up in the building and I catch a high five. Uppercut a motherfucker, tell him bye-bye. Sick world, but my mind's in sci-fi. Got them stressed out like they can't find.
Blessed like I sneeze. All these little beauties have sex with the beast. I'm the best in the east and I'm living on the west coast. Fuck niggas all gonna be resting in peace. I suggest that you leave if you hating cause I'm destined to be nothing less than a king. Move fast on these bitch ass niggas. Get rich fast, pockets need slim fast. I can make mesh out your teeth. Put holes in it, get it, I'm on a roll with it. Counting paper like a scroll with it. Collecting money like a toe, green thumb like a troll flow. Cold North Pole with it. My clothes so vintage, I make hits like a tennis match. Fucking bitches, only time I ever finish last. In my shows, everybody put their hands up like a smart kid in chemistry class. Goddamn, it's too easy. I ain't stopping no other option presented authentic with all these written, no really this shit is simple. Too easy. I'ma go on tour, every show is doing numbers, cause futuristic is popping like a pimple. Too easy. I'ma take the girl with all them curves who got the smile on her face, accented with the too easy. Shout out to my ex-girl and that new dude making love to you, all gentle. Too easy. I know that you don't like that. Hit me up, I never write back. Put my words on the right track, talk behind my back, then one dap, I'll leave you hanging like a fucking tire on a bike rack. And I'm never getting sidetracked on the right path like I'm climbing up a hill. I ain't never falling off with this rap shit. Meanwhile, you looking like Jack in jail. Sheesh. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. Yeah. Easy like easy bake ovens. I'm the real thing, you easy E cousin. Easy does it, moving up like Wheezy, spit like Wheezy, act like Easy. He love himself. I'm a G, this easy, no pun intended. Futuristic speak so disgusting. VCs on enemies that be coming at me. I treat the beat like we fucking beat it up, make it scream till it's coming. You beefing, you feeding me in my stomach, leaning we for me, my team and my woman. Drink this pizza, Rocco G till I shit in your steeds. It's sweeter than Reese Pieces. Leave them all in pieces. Peace, I leave a piece of me when I speak. So these fees will keep coming. I got cheese, Mickey D's, yes please, cause he love it. Decipher that. They don't really wanna cipher Zach. I don't really wanna murder everybody that's been talking. Ain't nobody got time for that. Nah. Childish flows, they compare us, but I'm already grown, and they already know. Futuristic did it all on his own. If you talking to me, you better be watching your tone, nigga. Money talk, so I talk to my phone. Don't call me if you talking alone. If I had a mirror, I'd be watching my throne. Holy shit, I think I just got my zone. Shit's scary, right? I told him I was gonna do it, so believe me, only time you'll ever see me is if you watching the TV or if you buying a ticket to my motherfucking meet and greet. I swear this shit is too easy, nigga. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy. It's way too easy. This shit is too easy. I make it look easy, nigga.
Hey, to my fans right now, my life is looking perfect and I'm happy every day, but there's still stuff below the surface that I never show, but only cause there ain't a need. But let me tell you what I'm thinking, ain't no money, clothes and weed. I'm thinking let's get rich so my family is good, cause if you seen how we were living, you would think we in the hood. Little logic on my mind, adrenaline pumping daily. You either high all the time or paranoia drove me crazy. I'm sick of the question and I don't wanna know, but if you really ain't high, well then I'm proud of you, bro. Hey, hey. And it's confusing, but sometimes I feel I'm to blame. Feel like you think I got it made. I put myself on this train. I know my start wasn't as bad, wish I could heal all that pain, but don't think I didn't work for this. We came from the same struggle. Robbing early, reminiscing is healing. Let's take him back to the times before you knew all them feelings. I wanna start up the tours and show the world you a king. I guess I'm scared to hear that maybe you don't want the same thing.
Do you feel the heaviness weighing down your soul? Don't let these demons from long ago feel at home. We got a past and we got the scars and we got the stories to tell. Through all the pain and suffering, we'll find our way.
My biggest fan is struggling, she called me up crying. We spoke for like an hour, said she wished she was dying. I know how it feels, but count up your blessings and understand that these materials are nothing but lessons. Man, just take it. Beautiful kids and a husband, 16 in trap houses, you can't tell me you wasn't. You could have been dead and money can't bring you back. I know your blood pressure's high.